2, 3, let's switch this up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adine. Make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Also, if you're OG, triple OG, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for sticking around. So today I'm going to share with you some items that I picked up from Amazon for my nail kit or for my, my nail content. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe and you keep on watching. Alright, so the first item were these pink gloves. They're super cute. Obviously, I had the traditional blue color that all the doctor offices use, but I wanted pink. If you know me, pink is my favorite color, so I decided to go with pink. I will link everything down below for you guys. Alright, so the next item I decided to pick up was this label maker. The reason why I picked this up, and of course, she's pink, but the reason I picked this up was because I needed to label a few items within my nail area, and this is super cute. It was pretty affordable. All you do is download the app, you type in the name or whatever you want to print out, and she prints out here on the side, and then you just stick it to the items that need labeling. The next item that I picked up, and you bet the color, you already know, she's pink, is an armrest. I picked up this armrest, and she's super cute, very wide, so your clients or your model can sit and rest on here. Very sturdy, and she's made out of leather. The next item, I did not know I needed it so bad until I bought it and I started using it, and that is a dust collector. And this is what she looks like, and of course, she's pink, is my favorite color. I couldn't resist. And the good thing is, when I was looking at dust collectors, they're pretty, they're pretty pricey. But this was about $34, and she's very strong. And they do sell filters as well. And on the side, this is how you control the speed of how intense you want the winds to be. And let me tell you, she does work. When I was doing my nails, it worked perfectly and caught every debris and every piece of dust inside the filter. This item I picked up, which I didn't even know I needed because I have studio lights, but creating content and doing like your models or your clients, you really do need this. And it is a light, and she looks like this. She is very flexible, and she attaches to the side of your table. She has the little on button right here on the side, and she does rotate 360, like literally all the way around. You could rotate her. She's perfect, and she was pretty affordable as well. I think she was less than $40. Another piece of equipment that I didn't really think I needed until I bought it and started using it was this nail clipper, okay, or nail trimmers. And two things why I love this nail trimmer. It has a little catch-all, so when you insert the nail to cut it, it will catch it in the little this little thing right here. And the second reason is because it has this dial, and on these dials there's numbers on it, and those numbers coordinate with the length that you want the nail to be. If you're a person that loves rhinestones, pearls, charms on your nails, and you struggle with them popping off, here's the answer: the Macart nail glue. Okay, the rhinestone glue. Whenever I use this, those rhinestones will stay forever. Okay, I literally have to pry them off, like off the nail, because this nail glue, I don't know what the hell they put in here, but when I tell you, this does not go anywhere, and all your rhinestones and charms, whatever, will be stuck to that freaking nail bed. I'm telling you, this is the one right here. Okay, you guys know I create a lot of nail content, and I started realizing that removing my nails, soaking them off, filing them off was kind of, it's too much for my nails. So I decided to get this peel off coat. I see a lot of nail techs or a lot of nail content creators use a peel off coat because you do the design and you peel them right off and move on to the next design. So if you don't want your nails to last more than a day, because they literally pop off within seconds, is this right here. It's Unt or Unt. I'm not really sure how you pronounce it, but it is the ready for takeoff peelable base coat. And you can also use this as a nail guard. You could put it around the nail and peel it off, or you can put it on the actual nail do your design on it, your press on, whatever, and peel it right off. I picked up this Model 1's Neutrals kit, gel polish kit, and I will insert some swatches for you guys. But this kit is super pretty. It could be used throughout the entire year, summer, spring, winter, fall. But these colors are super pretty. It's a very necessary nail kit color that you need. So I highly recommend this as well. So you know that abstract nail art, the wiggle lines, the straight lines, the diagonal lines, all that stuff is very popular right now. So I highly recommend getting some striping gel polishes, and this is from Beetles. It's a set of 6 colors, and I will swatch these for you guys as well. Super pretty, very pigmented, and the striping brush is very good as well. And if you know me, 2 things I love is pink and glitter. So of course I had to pick up some glitter nail polishes from Born Pretty. As you can tell, it's a set of 6 colors, and I will insert the swatches for you guys as well so you can see them. Highly recommend these as well. All of these items are amazing, and I couldn't be more happy to have them in my kit. Alright you guys, there you have it, my Amazon nail tech haul. So like I said, I will link down everything that I mentioned in this video. Also comment down below which item you want to pick up, and also comment down below an item that's on your wish list that's kind of like super expensive, or it's just like an item that you really want to purchase for your kit, because I'm interested. I want to add some more items to my kit. So there you guys have it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.